The first two homework example problems I'm going to do from section 2.1 are problems number 12 and problem number 56. Problem 12 says to sketch lines through the point -4, 1, and then they give you 4 different slopes. And they want them all plotted on the same graph. So we're going to sketch them using the slope method. So all lines go through the point -4, 1. And to use the slope method to plot the line, remember that the slope of 3 means the same thing as 3 over 1. So I'm going to go 3 up and 1 to the right. 1, 2, 3 up and 1 to the right. That is my first line. Use a straight edge when you are graphing them, and make sure you put arrows on both ends. The next one, a slope of -3. Slope of -3 is -3 over 1, which means down 3 and 1 to the right. So I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1 to the right. And I will get the second line. And to help out, you may want to put A next to that one, B next to that one. Next one, a slope of 1/2. That means go up 1 and then 2 to the right. I go up 1 and 2 to the right. There's my second point, using a straight edge. That is line C. And my last one, they wanted a slope that was undefined, and undefined lines are vertical, or vertical lines have undefined slope. So you want to draw yourself a vertical line through there, and that would be point D. For question number 56, they want the equation of a line that goes through 2 points, and they want a sketch of the line. The sketch of the line is the easiest part, so I will do it first. You plot the 2 points, and then you connect them with a straight edge and put your arrowheads. So I'm going to plot the point 4, 3. I'm going to plot the point -4, -4. Get my straight edge and draw the line. Because of the way the directions were written, any equation for a line will do. Well, a reminder, in order to write an equation for a line, I need a slope and I need a point. Well, I do not have the slope, but I can calculate the slope. That's my first step. So the slope is y-coordinate minus y-coordinate, -4 minus 3, over x-coordinate minus x-coordinate, -4 minus 4. -4 minus 3 is -7. -4 minus 4 is -8. -7 over -8 is 7/8. And now I'm going to use this into my memorized point slope formula, which is y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. And this is just a substitution problem. I could use either one of the points. Since students usually have less problems with positive numbers than negatives, I'm going to use that one first. So I get y, the opposite of the y-coordinate, minus 3, equals the slope, 7/8, times x, and then the opposite of the x-coordinate. Like I said, it did not matter which point you used, so I will do it again with the other point. Y, the opposite of the y-coordinate, the opposite of -4 is +4, equals the slope, 7/8, times x, and then the opposite of the x-coordinate, the opposite of -4 is +4. I would accept either of these based off the directions they gave. However, if I were to ask you to write it in slope-intercept form, basically you would solve for y, you would end up with the same equation, and it wouldn't matter which point that you used, you would still end up with the same equation.